Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup teamwork.com projects using time-saving export workflows, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To backup your teamwork.com projects using time-saving export workflows, begin by logging into your teamwork.com account. Navigate to the project you wish to backup. Once inside the project, locate the More drop-down menu, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the More drop-down menu to reveal additional options. From the list, select Export. In the Export options, choose the format you would like to use for your backup. Common formats include CSV for tasks and Excel for more detailed reports. After choosing a format, specify any additional settings based on your needs. For example, if exporting tasks, you may want to filter by status, assignee, or due date. Once you have made your selections, click on the Export button. The system will begin preparing your data for download. Wait for a notification indicating that the export is ready. Select the link provided in the notification to download your project data. Once the file is downloaded, open it to ensure all information has been captured correctly. If needed, repeat the process for other projects that require backing up. Consider organizing your exported files in a designated folder for easy access. Regularly backing up your projects helps maintain your workflow and preserve valuable information. With these steps, you can efficiently back up your teamwork.com projects using tailored export workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.